Welcome. In front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad 5, and in this video I will show you what to do if the screen of your laptop is frozen. So if you happen in a situation like this, then the first thing you'll have to check is whether your device is frozen fully or partially. So let's pretend that this application caused my laptop to freeze. And how do I fix this? Well, the first thing you'll have to do is use the Control+Alt+Delete combination, which are these keys, Control, Alt and Delete buttons. Just press them all together at once, and if something happened and you see this screen in front of you, that means that your device is only frozen partially, and you can unfreeze it by opening Task Manager and then selecting the application that causes your laptop to freeze. Right click on it and select End Task, and this should unfreeze your device. But if your laptop didn't react to pressing any buttons, then the other thing that you should consider doing is simply turning your laptop off and then turning it on back again. And to do that, simply press and hold the power key on the right edge of your laptop until the light on the button goes off, like this. And once it goes off, you'll be able to turn on your laptop again, and this will unfreeze it. But if your laptop didn't react to you pressing the power button at all, then the only way to unfreeze your laptop is to unplug the charging cable from the port, like this, and just wait for your device to discharge. And this would be the only way in such case to unfreeze your laptop. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.